Hello everyone, and welcome to another epic dadventure. This time, it's Peppermint Parkway at Circuit of the Americas. Circuit of the Americas is the United States' only Formula One racetrack. It's ordinarily a venue for Indy cars and amazing concerts, but they also have some very fun events throughout the year, including an annual Christmas light display. This time with COVID, you can drive through, and you can even pay extra to drive a slow lap around the racetrack. You can also pay extra to skip to the front of the line, but we arrived just as they opened, and there was hardly anyone there.
Yeah, so it's a good thing that we did not buy the Fast Pass because we got straight to the front of the line when it came in on Thursday.
Here is where you pull up to the check-in and concessions.
Thank you. Alrighty, kiddos. Alright. Thank you.
Cotton candy. Here's a map.
Okay.
And some more cookies.
Okay. Thank you very
finger
much.
wipes in case you're interested in for afterwards.
Oh, we'll need those. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Enjoy.
After a very long wait in a line of cars, the Grinch comes out to greet you. And at this point, I felt like a Grinch too. Yeah! Did I scare you?
You scared me.
Yes!
Merry Christmas.
I'm just sitting there traumatized. That kind of traumatized me for life because of how cringy that was. Happy holidays! Happy holidays!
And now we are driving up on the air dancing Santas of the crazy grand finale of Peppermint Parkway called Club Sleigh. And if your Christmas wish was for sick beats and dancing candies, I've got some good news. They even have real fake snow. How cool is that?
All right. Hey, here we. What did you guys think?
I thought it was awesome!
You thought it was awesome?
Candy on my hand.
Yeah, is it stuck to it? Yeah, Trinity said it was stuck to her hand too, huh?
Asha created a heart.
Oh, okay. And there's like an amusement park here with a bunch of thrill rides. I think there's like a kiddie coaster and like a train, and it looks like other places to buy concessions.
We are not going to go to it today. It's a little COVID-y, and we got to get home, but looks like a lot of fun, huh?
Uh-huh.
All right.
Yeah.
Okay.
You should totally go to it.
That's Peppermint Parkway. Huh? Yeah. It might be fun.
Thanks for watching, everyone. And please don't forget to like and subscribe to join us in the fun of the next Epic Dad Venture.